In this video you'll find out everything you need to know to get your Totally Wicked Tornado EX2 set up and ready to use. First, remove the packaging to find your Tornado EX2 E-cigarette fitted with an EX1.2 ohm atomizer head. In the box next to it you'll find one spare EX1.2 ohm atomizer, a USB charging cable, a manual and some spare parts. Now the good news is that the Tornado EX2 is really simple to use, so you should be up and running in next to no time. Step 1 is priming your atomizer head. To do this you'll first need to remove the atomizer which is fitted in the kit, and this is done by unscrewing the tank from the battery, then turn it upside down, unscrew the base from the tank, and then unscrew the atomizer. So then put a few drops of e-liquid onto the cotton material of the atomizer before screwing it back into the tank base. Then screw the base back onto the tank, and then the tank back onto the battery. Next you'll need to fill your tank with e-liquid. The EX2 uses screw top fill, so simply unscrew the top cap while applying a small amount of downward pressure. Then fill the tank via one of the filling holes on each side, making sure you don't put e-liquid in the middle hole. Overfilling the tank may cause an airlock, so make sure you leave an air gap of at least 2 mm at the top of the tank. Now after you've filled the tank, leave it for around 5 minutes to give the atomizer head time to soak. This will stop it from burning out prematurely. Now you need to choose your airflow setting. So rotate the airflow ring at the base of the tank to expose some of the holes or even a slot for even less resistance to your draw. Fewer visible airflow holes will provide a tighter draw and vice versa. Your preferred airflow setting is subjective, but a tighter airflow hole feels closer to the sensation of smoking for a lot of people. The device is now ready to use, so turn it on with 5 quick clicks of the power button. Then to activate the kit, simply hold down the power button while inhaling gently on the mouthpiece. It can be turned off with 5 quick clicks of the power button for safe transportation. The battery will already be partly charged and ready to use out the box. The battery life is indicated by a pulsing light from the LED after vaping, and the light will pulse faster as the battery gets more depleted. When you do need to recharge, do so using the cable provided. You should always use a specific e-cigarette wall plug or plug the cable directly into a USB port on either a laptop or a computer. Your atomizer head will need changing from time to time. Now you'll know when your atomizer head has reached the end of its life, as you'll start to experience a slight burn taste, a loss of flavour production, or a loss of vapour production. So to change your atomizer, first unscrew the tank from the battery, turn it upside down, and then unscrew the base from the tank. Next, unscrew the atomizer head from the base and dispose of it. Now you might want to use a bit of tissue for this. So then prime a new atomizer head, screw it into the tank base, and screw the base back onto the tank. Each time you change this atomizer head, always remember to prime it and leave it to soak for 5 minutes before use. The last thing you need to know is about the 2 available output modes, which are direct output and constant voltage. Now the kit will initially be set to direct output, which is indicated by the LED colour being white. This means that as your battery level depletes, the kit's output level will reduce to a slightly lower power. The other available output mode is constant voltage output, which means that your wattage output remains at the same level regardless of remaining battery life, and is indicated by an orange LED light. To switch between the 2 modes, make sure that the device is switched off and then just hold the power button down for 3 seconds. So that's all you need to know to get your kit up and running. But if you have any further queries or issues, then visit your local store, contact our customer service team, or leave a comment below.